That's why I'm
to the hierarchy. Now we have come about Honorable Odongo, who is the chairperson. You have guidance. Just be open here, man. You have guidance. You have guidance and you receive this. You're giving this service to people of Mukono. We are young, we are 40. This is the guidance I will read to council. Don't bring this service to people of Mukono. I represent people.
Council adjourned for 10 minutes.
Approval to hire services from District Service Commission from a nearby district. Honorable Speaker and Council, my office received advice from Chief Administrative Officer during the District Executive Committee meeting held on 12th April 2023, advising on the need to hire services of Service Commission from a neighboring district to handle emergencies under human resource for the meantime until we get ours in place. The Executive Committee furthermore took an initiative to contact and conduct a feasibility study in the districts of Wakiso, Kayunga, Buvuma, and Uyukwe to identify a suitable commission to serve the district. Madam Speaker, the Executive Committee on its sitting on 20th April 2023 under minute 77 Mukono leg 4th at 2022 2023 recommended to hire the services from any of the above mentioned districts. Madam Speaker and the Council, I request you to approve the motion for ongoing implementation.
And if no one is going out, you have to cancel, close the door up.
Close the door.
Sorry, Sergeant at arms. Close the door up. No one is going out. Let us stop that habit. No one is going out. We finish this matter once and for all. Yes, you can guarantee.
Councilor representing the great people of Namasam County, at the same time with the Finance and Administration. I was raising, Madam Speaker, a point of clarification. Madam Speaker, I would like to seek information from the honorable member on the floor, either the district chairperson or the cow. The district chairperson or cow to provide guidance to the district chairperson stroke council on the issues of the District Service Commission from the Minister of Local Government and the Chairperson of Public Service Commission and the Solicitor General. Madam Speaker, in one of our previous councils, the District Chairperson, Honorable Reverend Bakaluba Mukasa, promised to provide us with the guidance from the Minister, which was never done. It is my humble request that let the office of the cow provide us with the relevant guidance on the matter to enable Council of Mukono District Local Government pronounce itself. Madam Speaker, it would be wise for this Council to consider the guidance given to the District Chairperson and the Council on the matter to avoid unnecessary delays and penalties which may affect services and service delivery to the district as it has been for the past 1 year. Thanks, Madam Speaker.
And we have made half-baked resolutions, which are leading us again. Mukuddamu tufiirwe ssente ennyingi n'okusalako abakozi. But tulina motion eyasoose eyogera ku hiringa. Gye tugenda okuhiringa yemu bwava documents. So we'd like to seek clarification. Tuleme kudda kweno nsonga yetya nga buli kaseera. Let us pronounce ourselves today. The move of the motion has requested either the district chairperson or the cow to present to us the documents. Firstly, one from the Solicitor General. Secondly, from the line minister. And then the public service.
Upon the powers to bring us.
It's about hiring a service commission. Yes. Service commission is just for the nchi. But you mala okuyisa fenga council. Okusaba kwa kugenda na public service. Recommending a copy tugenda agenda twete service commission yonna eyabu abantu ebyekole. Kusaba kwa kugenda na public service. But recommending me okusinzira ku bese tugenda okulonda. Mu public service eyava ekiwandiiko kyetubadde twala kitambula ku mikutu kyetubadde twagala okulabako nga kanso tukole okusalawo okwatubenga kanso kyenvudde move of the motion nasaba asabye kawo asabye chairperson okutuyambako okukola obulungi nga kyetugenda okusaba tulinayo ebbaluwa naye nga twagala tobeko baali batugamba ki era tukompulayize nekye batugamba tuyoge tubasabe oba tugenda kontinuinga n'olukatimba yazadde omwana kuti yakoze ki teyazadde omwana. So it's upon that I'm not adjourning this council. How you have the registrar in office, you have a secretary in office. The same applies to our chairperson, who has the secretary in office, who receives these documents on behalf of us council. I'm not adjourning, I'm giving 15 minutes. And no one should get out there, apart from the cow and the district chairperson, to go and provide to us these documents, to ziyitemu, tukole okusalawo ki
Ng'okusomera council mpapula wa communication ez'enjawulo ezizze over time. Ate ebbanga ly'opanera eddakiika ebbiri, Madam Speaker, simanyi oba naakisobola. Mpadde eddakiika bbiri, nze saali wano ebbanga lyonna mubadde nga muli ku nsonga eno. So I'm not so sure about people. Eriyo documents za Solicitor General, simanyi oba naasiraba naasiraba.
Move of the motion atwadde provisions leka atwadde yakao atwadde yakao neya district chairperson. So ngenda kusaba district chairperson nawe ngenda kuwa eddakiika bbiri for providing the documents tulabe bwetwala recommendation. Wesigama eddakiika ebbiri ngenda kuwa eddakiika 3 mutwete documents tumalirize ensonga eyo.
When it is being raised by a member of the executive committee whom we sit with in the executive, he was part of all of this when we are developing these motions, and such of these concerns were not raised. It becomes totally unfair and an ambush for the administration of this district council if the district of Mukono, which is historical and respected, Madam Speaker, is going to be handled and to behave like this. We all know that the chairman of the district is the appointing office. He nominates members of the executive to work with him. And whatever is done in the executive is binding. Honorable Odongo, before we even proceed, is my member, is a minister. We are presented.
Do not be able to behave here, to give order to my chairperson. But the thing is, we request for documents.
Thank you very much for your wise guidance, Madam Speaker. What I'm saying is that, as the cowards intimated to you, this is totally an ambush. This we developed a motion from the executive which has come here. The person who is now battling with us is the member of the executive. It looks totally irrational to be working like this, except if my government has been overthrown now by Honorable Odongo. If that's what you are trying to do.
Order, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, order. Point of order, Madam Speaker. Order, Madam Speaker.
Not granted. Not granted. And I have everyone's attention, please. That means you are going against my chairperson. Come to council, our timekeeper, given 15 minutes for this preparation.
One, the motion seeking approval of hire of services is talking about a temporary time, which temporary time will equally allow
Honorable Odongo's submission to go on. It is not stopping. This is, if I can read verbatim, it is saying, DEG meeting held on 12th, where Mr. Odongo sits, advising on the need to hire services of Service Commission from neighboring districts handle emergencies under human resource. For the meantime, until we get ours in place, meaning we shall have our own District Service Commission from Mukono. Madam Speaker, the most important issue that I want this August House to know is that we have allocation of funds from the ministry, from government, that comes here. If we don't utilize these funds, they will go back and we shall look like we are unable to use these funds. Simple reason, Madam Speaker, I just want to implore upon these members of this August House that we can have the two move concurrently. We approve the motion to have a temporary service from the neighboring district and move along with the request from Honorable Odongo.
Yes.
Tetulina ani ali mu lutalo wano ne munne. Lwaki mulisanga abali mu lutalo? Lwaki mulisongamu engalo ne peeri? Can you get out also? Move out.